Your name?
David.
David.
Yes.
Age?
26.
26.
Yes.
You are from?
I'm from.
You are from Bangladesh.
Huh?
Bangladesh.
No. I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
What is your problem?
I'm having neck pain.
You having neck pain?
Yeah, and my back has been on fire.
Neck, upper back or lower back?
I think both.
Both is.
Yeah. Towards this middle, the neck here, then towards the middle, then lower back.
Lower back is
down,
pain.
yeah. That one comes and goes. It's not constant.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's coming and it's going.
Yeah, but the upper back is.
Okay. Upper
is
back is
on fire. If I sit like this for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Start feeling.
How it started?
Okay. 20. Back in my country, 2020. I had
2020.
I had an accident. I had a car crash. I was driving.
What happened?
I was driving.
You was driving.
The car crashed.
Oh, car crashed.
Yeah, I forced back, and then.
Okay.
Since then, I've noticed the pain.
Okay.
Then sometimes I try to massage. It moves away sometimes.
Okay.
Then over time, I knew I needed probably chiropractic adjustment or something.
Did you try chiropractic?
No, that's what I'm coming.
You didn't try anywhere. Okay. How did you know about our clinic?
I checked online.
Online.
I got to India some days ago.
Okay.
So I wanted to do it in my country, but I didn't have time.
Okay.
So when I got to.
I had so many patients from Nigeria actually.
I'm a student at Kalinga, doing my master's at KIT. So the pain was
severe.
It was just severe. So I decided to check for chiropractic, and so when I checked, I saw so many. So I read the reviews, and I saw that your reviews were quite nice.
Okay.
I decided to come.
Can you remove your shirt?
Yes.
I want to just examine.
Okay.
Come. Pain is here. This side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I used to get pain around there, a bit low. Yeah, there and a bit lower.
There and lower back.
Yeah, and then my neck around.
Okay.
Around there.
Okay.
Okay.
Head this side. Downward. Head downward. Hands down. Deep breathe. Relax. Oh my God. Turn this side. Sideline. Come to me. No, sideline. This little side. Please. Bend your knee. Hold my hand. Hold your hand. Relax. Deep breathe. Oh, relax. It's so tight. Turn that side. Okay, turn. Leg straight. Deep breathe. Relax. Oh. Slip straight. It was crunchy. Relax. Deep breathe. Relax. What's your name? Are you backward? Relax. मन करते हैं See them. You have hamstring tightness also.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Are you doing workout?
Yeah, I used to.
Okay.
I used to, but I stopped like 5 months ago because I had a surgery. And yeah, so I stopped.
Surgery.
Yeah, so I stopped.
Okay.
I would resume, let's say, next week.
Okay. But do less weight, more repetition. If you take more weight, it will be painful.
Okay, so less weight.
Yes, less weight, more repetition. Oh, this is severe.
Yeah.
Why did you choose India?
I wanted to study microbiology. So
Relax, relax.
and I know India is sort of very good when it comes to
Okay.
medical line. So
You are studying what?
applied microbiology.
Okay, applied microbiology. Nice. Here you are getting stretched. Relax. Relax. Deep breathe. Relax. Relax. Tongue. Relax your shoulder. Relax your shoulder. Deep breathe. Relax. Back is so stiff. Relax. Deep breathe. Relax. Are you okay?
Yeah.
How are you feeling now? Good?
Very good.
Very good. So when you came to clinic and now, what is the difference? How was the pain and how are you feeling right now?
There's no pain in my neck at the moment. And I think it feels very good.
Very good.
So I'm gonna come back.
You want to come back?
Yeah, I mean, after my exams.
Yeah, after your exams, come back.
I'll come back next week.
Sure.